Alright folks, welcome back to another EWM episode. In this match, Jackhammer will go one-on-one with the rock sticks. So let's get started. There he is, sprinting in from his corner. And now for the Jackhammer. Oh, there he is. There it is, his beautiful championship. Wait, what is he doing?
Start the match.
And on with the match. This could be it. One. Kick out at one. Oh. Looking for it again. Oh. Submission hold locked in. Oh wait, he's getting out. Oh, suplex. What's he going for next? One, two. Kick out at two. These two are brutally attacking each other. Misses the kick. Oh, got the kick that time. What now? Ooh, that's gotta hurt. Where's he going? Getting ready for the... Oh, he's getting ready for that submission hold again. The hammer lock. The hammer lock locked in. This could be it. He's got it locked in. Oh, this is such a painful submission hold. Oh, he got out. Oh.
Figure four.
Oh, figure four locked in. It's breaking out. Breaks out.
Choke slam.
One, two. Oh! One, two, three. Yeah, three. That was three. Thought he kicked out right there, but no. He's won. Ambitioning him with the belt. Just kicking him and kicking him.
Oh, oh, oh.